CompTIA A+. Practice test. Today's topics. Configure basic mobile device network. Connectivity and application support. Let's start. Many device management systems such as Microsoft Intune or VMware Workspace want to allow devices to be pre-configured easily with minimal user or IT setup. What may be one main selling point for enrolling devices into a device management system? Correct answer is application deployment. Next questions. What basic productivity application allows for the organization of meetings, tasks, and events? Correct answer is calendar. Next question. A device management system was configured to only download updates for mobile devices while on Wi-Fi. Why might an IT department disable the use of cellular data for device updates? Correct answer is data caps. Next one. A system administrator recently set up all the corporate cell phones for device management. One feature was to pre-set up the Mail app so that employees could access corporate communication without needing additional setup. What function of the device management software system did the system administrator set up? Correct answer is email configuration. Next questions. A user reports that when connecting their phone to their car, it keeps prompting them to enter something on their phone. What might the pairing process prompt the user to enter? Correct answer is enter PIN. A small company is looking to manage its devices and email subscriptions under one license per user. What kind of Office license would allow for a Windows license as well as an email license? Correct answer is Microsoft 365. Next questions. A company switched cellular carriers and realized their existing cell phones are not compatible because the phones use a SIM card. What cellular standard does the cellular carrier not support? Correct answer, GSM. Next questions. A customer called their wireless provider stating their 6-year-old cell phone no longer connects to the network. The support rep informs them that the phone is no longer compatible with their network because they recently shut down their older cellular towers. What wireless technology might the sales rep be referring to? Correct answer, 3G. Next questions. A company switched cellular carriers and realized their existing cell phones are not compatible because they do not have a slot for a SIM card. What cellular standard do the phones not support? Correct answer, GSM. Why might a company using Microsoft Intune want to deploy a profile to set up email access automatically? Correct answer, simplifies setup of email application. A technician set up a temporary remote site for a construction project. What should the technician do to ensure the networking equipment functions as expected after connecting it? Correct answer, test connectivity. Next questions. Older cellular devices may not have the capability of installing the Outlook app. However, these devices still have an email application that a user can set up manually. What functionality of Exchange or Office 365 would allow those applications to connect to the email server? Correct answer, ActiveSync. A user dialed *228 to get their brand new phone to connect to the cellular carrier. What would this do to resolve the issue? Correct answer, CRL. What basic function of productivity or communication apps allows for saving phone numbers, emails, and other data? Correct answer, Contact. A user reports they cannot use Google Maps on their cell phone. The technician looked at the device management system and realized that a feature was disabled, preventing the Maps app from functioning properly. What cell phone feature was disabled? Correct answer, location services. Next one. A real estate company uses a drone to map out properties it is looking to purchase and determine their value. However, once the drone is flying, it fails to record its location on a map. What drone feature may not be functioning correctly? Correct answer, GPS. A small company was denied cyber insurance because they only use passwords to authenticate. What could the company enable to allow their cyber insurance to get approved? Correct answer. Next one. A site lost their cable internet due to bad weather. They still have cellular connectivity. What equipment or... Thank you for learning.